Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will be solving Arithmetic Operators challenge. This is the easiest challenge in the series, which will cover arithmetic operators in Python. The objective of the challenge is to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication on two given integers. Let's navigate to HackerRank dashboard and take a look at the challenge. As you can see on the screen, the problem statement is to accept two integer values from the user and display addition, subtraction, and multiplication of those two integer values. The code stub provided in the code editor accepts two integer from standard input using Python built-in function input, store the respective values in variable a and b. In the next three lines, we need to display addition, subtraction, and multiplication of those two integer values. For example, if the value of first integer is 3 and the value of second integer is 5, we need to display addition of 3 and 5, that is 8, on the first line, subtraction of 3 and 5 on the second line, which is -2, and the multiplication of 3 and 5, which is 15, on the third line. Since this is one of the easiest challenge in the series, we will not use a Replit or any external editor. Rather, we will just use HackerRank built-in code editor to solve this challenge. So let's display addition of a and b on the first line using print function. Subtraction of a and b on the second line. And multiplication on third line. Let's run the code. Okay, so the given test case is passed. For input 3 and 2, our output is 5, 1, 6, which is the expected output. Let's submit the code. All the other test cases are passed as well, and we got the congratulations message. Congratulations, we have successfully solved Python Arithmetic Operators challenge. I will see you in the next challenge. Happy coding.